Exciting news! Before the much anticipated world premiere of the new Kia Sonet Facelift on December 14th, the brochure of the Tata Nexon rival was leaked online, revealing key details. The Kia Sonet Facelift will be offered in 7 trims, and customers get 11 exterior paint choices, including the Pewter Olive, which Kia introduced with the Seltos facelift. Now, as per the leaked document, we have the engine options for each variant and features of select variants including HTK+, HTX+, and X-Line. So let's dive into the world of the new Kia Sonet Facelift. But before that, hit that subscribe button if you're new here and stay close to all our latest updates. Under the hood, the 2024 Kia Sonet will arrive with 3 engine options at launch. The 1.2-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine will get a 5-speed manual transmission. The 1-litre turbo petrol engine has either a 6-speed IMT or a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. And the 1.5-litre turbo diesel engine gets 3 transmission options: 6-speed manual, 6-speed IMT, and a 6-speed torque converter automatic. Now you can see the variant-wise engine details and specifications on this table. The HTK Plus will be the most affordable variant with an automatic transmission in the form of the 6-speed IMT mated to the 1-litre turbo petrol engine. The HTX variant will have the most number of powertrains to choose from, and just like the Seltos facelift, both the GT line and X-Line variants will offer only automatic transmission options. From the teasers released by Kia, we already know that the Sonet facelift draws design cues from the Seltos facelift. It has a new grille, LED headlamps, and DRLs. The fog lights and bumper have also been redesigned for a fresh look. And at the rear, the Sonet gets connected LED tail lamps similar to those on Seltos, along with a revamped rear bumper, which enhances its sturdy appearance. The new Kia Sonet will get a host of safety features as standard, similar to the Seltos facelift. This includes 6 airbags, emergency stop signal, tire pressure monitoring system, 3-point seat belts for all seats, vehicle stability management, and hill start assist. We have 5 colors available on this trim level, including the Pewter Olive. And let's see what additional features does the HTK Plus variant get over the second base model HTK. Safety features include auto headlamps, front parking sensors, and rear defogger. From this model onwards, there will be rear power windows with the driver's side window getting the one-touch up or down function. And other highlight features are automatic climate control, manually adjustable driver's seat, keyless entry with push-button start-stop, rear door sunshade, electrically adjustable and foldable ORVMs, follow-me home headlamps, and remote engine start function. From this variant onwards, there will be dual-tone color options along with all the monotone colors except the clear white. Now this is the top model among the tech line variants, so naturally it comes loaded with features. On top of what we get on the HTX trim level, disc brake on rear wheels, rear wiper and washer, ISO fix, and auto-dimming IRVM are the added safety features. And additional design and styling elements include 16-inch alloy wheels, black and brown leather seats, and LED ambient lighting. On the tech front, there is a larger 10.25-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system, which supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, air purifier, and a 7-speaker Bose sound system. Some of the comfort and convenience features on the HTX Plus variant are 4-way power driver seat, front ventilated seats, rear parcel tray, cruise control, multi-drive modes, traction modes, and paddle shifters on the automatic versions. Finally, the X-Line trim will only come with the exclusive matte graphite color. And on top of the GTX Plus trim, which is already so rich with features including Level 1 ADAS, the X-Line trim will get a 360-degree surround camera with blind spot monitor. Moreover, the power windows on all doors get the one-touch up or down functionality. The new Kia Sonet will rival the Tata Nexon, Maruti Brezza, Hyundai Venue, and also the upcoming XUV 300 facelift. We expect the prices to range from Rs 8 to 15 lakhs ex-showroom. So there you have it, folks. That's everything we know so far about Kia's upcoming sub-4-meter compact SUV. Stay tuned for more videos from us on the new Kia Sonet after its launch on December 14th. Until then, drive safe. Adios.